Welcome back, car lovers. Today we're diving into the legendary world of Porsche with the latest icon in performance engineering of the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. It's not just a car, it's a legacy on wheels. Synonymous with speed, precision, and timeless design, the new Turbo S blends tradition with cutting-edge technology to deliver the ultimate driving experience. Let's explore what makes this beast so extraordinary. Body panels. The body of the 2026 911 Turbo S remains unmistakably Porsche, with its iconic silhouette and wide rear haunches, now enhanced with even more aerodynamic refinement. The lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber composite body panels reduce weight and increase rigidity. Integrated active aero elements, including a deployable front spoiler and a wider active rear wing, automatically adjust based on speed and drive mode, maximizing downforce when you need it, and reducing drag when you don't. It's designed with purpose and beauty in motion. Headlights. The front features Porsche's signature 4-point matrix LED headlights, now with HD matrix beam technology for even more adaptive control. These lights adjust in real time to traffic and road conditions, providing optimal illumination while preventing glare for oncoming traffic. Sleek, sloped, and sculpted into the front fenders, they not only light the way but reinforce the 911's instantly recognizable front fascia. Taillights. At the rear, the continuous light strip makes a dramatic statement, stretching across the width of the vehicle. It's housed in a revised rear design with 3D LED elements and dynamic indicators. The new taillight assembly blends beautifully into the powerfully flared rear fenders, and the signature Turbo S badge glows subtly just in case anyone behind you forgets what you're driving. Grille. Up front, the revised front air intakes are wider and more aggressive than ever. They feed cool air to the radiators and intercoolers, ensuring peak performance. The central active grille shutters open under load to optimize cooling and close at cruising speeds to enhance aerodynamics. A functional rear grille over the engine bay provides heat extraction and airflow, finished in a glossy black or optional carbon fiber for added flair. Seats. Step inside, and you're greeted by 18-way power-adjustable sports seats wrapped in premium club leather, with optional Racetex microfiber for a motorsport feel. They offer heating, ventilation, and memory settings, and the bolstering is perfect for both long drives and spirited corners. Embossed Porsche crests and contrast stitching add a tailored, performance-first aesthetic. The rear seats remain compact, maintaining the classic 2+2 layout, but fold down to increase cargo flexibility. Dashboard. The dashboard is a masterpiece of functionality and elegance. The horizontal layout emphasizes width, while brushed aluminum or optional carbon fiber inlays elevate the sporty interior. 5 circular instrument dials sit behind the wheel, now fully digital except for the central analog tachometer, staying true to Porsche heritage. Ambient lighting accents the contours of the dash for a futuristic, welcoming vibe. Infotainment system. The centerpiece of the interior is the 10.9-inch Porsche Communication Management (PCM) display, running the latest UI with natural voice control, real-time traffic updates, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and integrated Spotify and Apple Music streaming. A new augmented reality head-up display projects navigation cues and performance data directly into the driver's line of sight. 4 audiophiles, a Burmester high-end surround sound system is available, offering concert hall acoustics in a track-ready machine. Steering wheel. The GT Sport steering wheel is compact, tactile, and loaded with functionality. Wrapped in leather or optional Racetex, it features integrated drive mode selectors, paddle shifters, and customizable multifunction buttons. The rotary dial allows instant switching between normal, sport, sport plus, and individual modes, while an integrated sport response button gives you 20 seconds of maximum performance with a single press. Engine. The heart of the beast is a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, now re-engineered to produce an astounding 670 horsepower and 590 pounds-feet of torque. The engine is mated to an 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission and standard all-wheel drive, enabling a 0-60 mph time of just 2.5 seconds. Enhanced cooling, upgraded turbos, and improved fuel injection make this engine not just more powerful but more efficient and responsive than ever before. It's track weaponry with everyday usability. Hybrid option. For the first time in 911 Turbo S history, a mild hybrid system is available as part of Porsche's electrification strategy. This 48-volt system enhances torque fill at low RPMs and improves fuel economy during city driving. The hybrid module is seamlessly integrated between the engine and transmission, allowing regenerative braking and coasting features. It doesn't compromise performance, in fact, it makes acceleration even smoother and more instantaneous. Airbags. Safety hasn't been compromised in this performance monster. The 911 Turbo S includes dual front, side impact, curtain, and knee airbags, along with Porsche side impact protection system, POSIP. Advanced sensors monitor crash dynamics, deploying airbags and safety restraints with precision. The rigid passenger cell and strategically placed crumple zones ensure maximum safety while preserving the vehicle's structure. Parking assist. Navigating city streets or tight parking spots is made easy with Park Assist featuring front and rear sensors, and a high-resolution 360-degree camera. An advanced autonomous parking system can take control of steering, braking, and gear selection to park in parallel or perpendicular spots. Pair that with rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and lane keep assist, and you've got safety tech wrapped in race car DNA. Price. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S starts at around $234,000. Add the optional lightweight package, carbon ceramic brakes, Burmester sound, and other upgrades, and you're easily in the $260,000 $275,000 range. But with the performance, technology, and prestige on offer, it's not just a car, it's a masterpiece. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S, a supercar that respects its heritage while charging boldly into the future. It's engineered to dominate the track, impress on the streets, and surround you in German-crafted luxury at every turn. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in automotive innovation. Got thoughts or want to compare the 911 Turbo S to rivals like the Ferrari Roma or McLaren Artura? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, drive fast, drive smart, and drive something that makes your heart race. See you next time.